Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's been a while. I will jump into the details.
Hey, so I decided to do a voiceover because it was just so much going on when I was doing my face. So let's just jump into it. I am setting my eyes with P. Louise's base. Just prepping so my color can pop. This is the P. Louise number 4. And I'm just blending that all over. And now using my Laura Mercier's, this is actually a lipstick crayon in the color Hot. And I'm just carving out a shape with that. Now I'm going in with the Nomad Venice palette. I got this in my BoxyCharm and I absolutely love it. The red in here is fire, so I'm just setting that lipstick right on top, patting that in, doing more of a patting sensation, and then doing a gentle blend because I don't want it to get too messy. Now with my ABH Nirvana, I'm using this hot pink, I think it's like B3, to blend on top of that red, and using some makeup remover to sharpen my shape. And I like doing it with the Q-tip because it's just easier. You dip one end with it and use the other dry end just to clean it off. Now going in with my Becky Sue. This is a knockoff that I got from Amazon to match the P. Louise. And it was on sale. It was like 3 for $10. And it actually is a really nice dupe for the P. Louise. So if you're looking for something, I'll put that in my description down below so you can click it. And I did the first color with it just white by itself. And then I mixed a little bit of pink pigment in just to give it like a little bit of a pinkish ombre effect. Not too much, I just wanted something soft just so that it wasn't white all over. Now going back in with my lipstick and creating a little liner with it. And patting in some more eyeshadow just to set it off. Going in with my Candy Box Cosmetics glitter and sugar cookie. It's like a glitter pigment. And using my highlighter, I don't remember the name of this highlighter, so I apologize. Just highlighting my tear duct just a little bit. Going in with some rhinestones. I got this pack off of Amazon. They're actually for nails, but I use it for my eyeshadow all the time. And using my dual glue, the green one, because it's my favorite, and popping these stones in. I'm not gonna lie, this took forever. And I wanted to originally do 2 lines, like one line across, another one on top of it, but time just got the best of me. And I got this little tool from the dollar store that I'm using to pop it in. Now just smoking my eye out with a little bit of black because I want a little bit of drama. I'm going to be priming my face with Rainforest by the Sea's Glow Nation. I got this primer from BoxyCharm, and this is my first time using it, but it leaves a really nice glow to the skin, so I like it. My foundation is Naked Skin, and I'm not using a brush, I'm just using my beauty blender because I wanted my skin to not feel cakey. And I know I was going to go in with a lot of concealer, so my first concealer is by Josie Maran. It's more of a medium coverage, and then I go on top of that with Huda's, which is a full coverage concealer. So if you're looking for a bomb full coverage crease proof concealer, go to Huda. I am patting it in with a brush first just to get it to spread, not sweeping but more of a pat sensation, and then going over it with my beauty blender to smooth everything out. Now going in with my Too Faced to contour. This is in the color Coca. And a few dots with this goes a long way. I didn't want to have like any harsh lines, so I'm just dotting little dots all over, even my nose. And I am blending that in more of like a pressing sensation, not sweeping it, because I want it to stay in place. I love these multi-use sculpting concealers by Too Faced because you can do it with your highlight, your concealer, your foundation. It's very versatile. And contour my nose. Always remember to blend down. And blending out with my beauty blender and using that same red lip crayon for some blush. And setting my under eye with Laura Mercier's translucent powder. My favorite setting powder, honestly. If you ever, it is a little bit expensive, but it feels like butter. It blurs out everything. And now just grabbing this a little bit more of the powder and setting the rest of my face. Bronzing my face with NYX's, I believe this is like a caramel bronzer. Just add a little bit more color to my face. And that same bronzer on my nose just to give my nose a little bit more of a shape. This blush is by Makeup Forever. I do not know the name of it. I am so sorry. I know it's like a number. I think it's like B230. Oh, I think that's it. That is it. And highlighting my tear duct with Kat Von D Amethyst palette. Setting my face with Rainforest of the Sea by Tarte. A nice refreshing mist. And after you mist your face, go back in with your beauty blender to really get that mist to stay on your face. I use another blush on top of it by Fenty Sunset Sangria, and a highlight on top of it by Becca, I think Champagne Pop, because I was trying to be glowy all night late. I wanted everybody from space to see how glowy I was. And for my lip, I am using my lip liner by Becca in Energetic. It's like the ultimate lip definer. And then going in with my lipstick by Tarte called Birthday Suit, my favorite nude. Pressing that in, and then on top I'll be going over it with a nude gloss from Sephora collection. It's called Perfect Nude. But then I wanted a little bit of a pop, so I added a sparkly gloss from Wet n Wild on top of it. And I feel like it just set it off. It was so cute. For my lashes, I'm using Lashful Cosmetics. This brand is no longer available, but I got a bunch of lashes from them and I love it. And if you're new to lashes, always put the mirror under your chin and look down. That helps you put them in place, and it's super easy that way. And I cut off a little bit of my lashes because they were too long, and I added them to my bottom because I don't have bottom lashes. And that's it, guys. Thank you so much for watching this little tutorial. I appreciate it. Please go subscribe to my channels and turn on your alerts because I will be posting more. Have a great day. Happy Valentine's Day.